Stop over. Hey everybody, welcome back. Y'all back at home with the minors. I'm back in my TV room, and I have finally done a little bit of shopping trying to get my TV room together. So I wanted to share with you guys this haul and some things that I've purchased. Y'all, I'm excited. It takes me a minute. I can't rush to decorate. I cannot rush to decorate, and I don't just go pick up stuff because, you know, I'm trying to hurry up and get a room done. Sometimes it can take me months, but I'm gonna try my best not to take that long with this room. And I'm just gonna show you things as I purchase them, okay? I don't have links for anything because everything was purchased in the store. So far I've not purchased anything online, okay? So let's start by, we can start by what was in the thumbnail. This little bench right here. Now, you guys, I just thought this was so fluffy, and it's a little stool. Because for those of you that do not know, if this is your first time watching my video, we are empty nesters. We have 4 children, and our youngest went to college. So he went to college last year. He left October 1st. And the other 3 are like real grown. I mean, like paying all their own bills grown. Okay? So we are in our home alone, and it's just amazing how there used to be so much noise, and then now there's silence. At least when my dude number 1 is not home, aka my husband. Okay, so this room I'm going to use as my TV room because my husband and I, we really don't have a whole lot in common as it pertains to watching TV. So he hogs the TV in the bedroom, despite the fact that he has an entire theater room that he rarely goes in. Okay, so long story short, when our dudette moved out a few years ago, I have finally decided that I needed a TV room. That's for me. So that's what I'm doing. I'm working on my TV room. Okay, so I have some furniture, and again, I'm trying to bring folk up to date that have not been watching the videos. Y'all need to go back and watch the videos. Okay? So, I'm really trying not to buy any furniture. I have the chaise lounge that I've had for over 18 years. That's very sentimental to me, and it's not going anywhere. That's the chaise lounge, okay? So, really, as it pertains to seating, that's the only piece of furniture that's going to be in here. Seating wise, that's why I got this little stool. And it was, wait a minute, I want to say $19.99. I thought the receipt, $19.99, y'all. Okay, so in addition to the chaise lounge, there'll be that little stool, because, you know, for the most part, it really won't be people in here other than myself, my husband, and if we have guests, then, you know, they can hang out on the floor. Okay, so next I have this beautiful tray. Now this was purchased from Burlington, and it was $14.99. And you guys, I love doing the mixed metals. I love using the gold with the silver. I love using black accents. So this right here caught my eye. In addition to the chaise lounge, I have this little console dresser here, thingamajig, that used to be at our front door. So that's that. Okay, next, you guys, I went to Goodwill. I love consignment shopping, and there's an accent wall in here that's kind of like a purplish, has a purple hue to it. And I went in the Goodwill, and I saw this with the Serenity Prayer. You guys, this Serenity Prayer, I've heard it all of my life, but the past 4, almost 5 years, it has had a brand new meaning to me. And if you guys have been following my channel, then you understand exactly why I say that. So I thought this was really nice. I think I'm going to try to do a little something. It's a little worn on the edges, just a little bit in a couple of places. So I think what I'm going to try to do is I have some like black glitter and some Mod Podge, and it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's the fine glitter. I may kind of put it around the edge to see if it'll kind of camouflage that, but if not, you know, it's not real noticeable. But I thought that was a great play off of the accent wall. Okay. Next, I have this picture frame here, and it's 11 by 14, but the insert for the picture is an 8 by 10. And it kind of has that rustic look around the edge. And what I'm going to do with this, I purchased 6 of them. Yes, 6 of them. I think they were like $13.99, I think. But in this room, the atmosphere that I want to create, I want it very peaceful. I want it relaxing. I want this room to remind me of family. And there are certain things in here that I'm going to be very intentional about. And this is one of them. I purchased 6 of these frames because I'm going to have my children in 4 of the frames. I'm thinking I want to have a picture of each one of them by themselves, and then we'll have a picture of my husband and myself, and then a picture of all of us. So I want that up in here as well. Again, I want just to feel I want this room to just exude the love of family. Okay, now here is another like stool type piece. And I've had this for probably at least, this is something I've had for at least over 6 months. And when I saw it, I really liked it. I love accents of black. And it still has a price on it. It was $24.99. And I purchased this from Ollie's. And like I said, I've had it for a while. I think I'm going to try to incorporate that as well. But a lot of times when I see stuff, you know, if I like it, even if I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it at the time, I'll get it and just put it away. Okay? So next I have, let's see, we are going to Ross. This mirror behind me. This mirror was $20.99. And I purchased it from Ross. You guys can kind of see right there that the curtains have been put up. And those panels really do look good with the wall. And they pick up that accent wall really good. And then over here, I have this print that I purchased from Burlington. No. Was it Burlington? Yes, it was Burlington for $49.99, $50. And the reason I purchased this was it reminded me of when I was growing up. We used to have several dogwood trees in our yard. And that's what I thought about when I saw it. And I love the detail on the little gold detail that you can see in the middle of the flower petals. And they have just a little bit of sparkle to them. I don't know if you can tell, but that's what that reminded me of when I saw that picture. And I know they have the paintings that have the real big, you know, just like that one big flower. And I didn't want that. But when I saw this, I thought, that's it. That's it. So that's my haul for today. And again, I am really excited about getting this room done. And as I think about other things that I want to do, I think about what I'm going to do in this room in addition to watching TV. So I will spend a lot of time on the chaise lounge reading or studying my Bible or just meditating, reading books. So I know I need some type of little table or something. I want something beside me where I can maybe have some books, or I also need some type of lighting in here, and I would prefer to have something small once I find my tables that I can, put on the table and kind of give me some direct light on whatever I'm reading at the time without having to turn on the overhead light or a lamp or anything else. And speaking of which, the fixture in here, I eventually want to change that. Don't know if that's going to happen right now, but that's something else I want to do. So again, that's what I do. I kind of think through, okay, what are you going to be doing in this room other than watching TV? I also have a weeping willow tree that I planted in memory of my mom, and the tree died. Ironically enough, the way the tree died, it was at the root, whatever was going. I really think termites or something were in the ground, but at the root, I went out there one day and just barely touched it, and it fell over. All the branches were intact, everything. So that tree has since been in my home since 2016. So of course it's a sweet reminder of my mom, because she loved weeping willow trees, and she used to say she wanted to be buried under a weeping willow tree. Anywho, that's a whole nother story. So I'm going to bring that tree. It was downstairs in my kitchen. I'm going to bring that tree up here, and I'm going to do a little bit with it to make it look a little special. More, just kind of, I want to try something with the branches, using some glitter and some other stuff, not overdoing it. I'm going to try it and see, and I plan to video whatever I'm going to do with it. So I just want to kind of enhance it a little bit. So I'm going to bring that in here as well. So like I said, you guys, this is just going to be it's going to be sweet in here. And when I say sweet, I mean by the atmosphere. And again, because there's not really a lot of seating in here, I think it's sweet to me and my dude number one. We can both fit on the chaise lounge when we're up here watching TV. And I did purchase this one pillow from Burlington the same time I purchased my drapes. But I know I need more pillows, because I want more pillows on my chaise lounge. And I like to just kind of have pillows, sitting around. If there are other people that are in here, or some of the kids come over, my nieces, nephew, my grandbaby that's coming in April. I'm going to be a G-Mom. Hey, G-Mom. Hey. Okay, so if the children are over here, it's my first grandbaby, y'all. Can you tell? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. If the kids are over here, they can always grab a pillow and, chill out on the floor. It's going to be just that comfortable. Speaking of which, I forgot to tell you guys this. I got a rug for the floor. Let me show you the rug. Yes, I almost forgot. It blends in so well, you can, barely tell. I did not want anything too busy, because I just want a very calm mood in here. So I did not want any big patterns or anything. And even the little bit of color that's in the rug, it picks up the chaise lounge. So it is just, you guys, it was just perfect. I almost forgot to tell you guys that. So it goes so well with the room. So I will also be shopping our home for different little accent or decorative pieces, and I'm just kind of looking around, trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. But I'll shop my home, see if there's anything that we have already that I can just move, because oftentimes I find when I take something from a different part of our home, move it to a new space, it makes it feel new again. So I'll definitely do that. And now I need to be on the hunt for some pillows. I need pillows, and I need some type of little table, like I said, to sit on the side. I thought about putting a floor lamp in here, but I don't think I want to do that, you guys. I want to keep it really simple. I don't want the room overcrowded. I don't want too much stuff in here. I want it simple, sweet, and calm. I didn't want a whole bunch of loud colors. I just needed peaceful. Okay? So, I will be on the hunt for some pillows that's going to bring in. I'm really not trying to draw too much attention to that accent wall. I didn't feel like painting it. That's why it stayed that color. But I may get a pillow or two just to kind of, tie that in a little bit. But I think I want something. I just think sometimes this color to me can kind of be a little hard with the Chase Lounge to figure out. So, definitely taupe gold, cream, something like that. Anyway, I'll know it when I see it. But once I get me some pillows, I'll come back and do another haul. And then after that, y'all, I should be ready to put this room together, because you can't get too much more in here. Otherwise it's going to be too much and it's going to be cluttered. Okay? And we don't do clutter. So, I think that's it. I've kept you guys long enough. So, stay tuned for the next haul whenever I do it. Hopefully it'll be soon, because I'm ready to get this room done. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Honest, I really do. And I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.